Maintaining visibility into every user management action is essential for security, accountability, and compliance within your Jira environment. The Audit Logs tab in the miniOrange Automated User Management app provides administrators with complete insight into all past operations, including actions performed, users affected, timestamps, execution status, and more. In this video, we'll walk you through how to use the Audit Logs tab to monitor user management activities, analyze operations, and export reports for record keeping or review. Let's begin. When you open the Audit Logs tab, you'll see a list of all previously performed operations. Each entry includes details such as the timestamp, status, operation type, time taken to complete, and preview options for a deeper look into each action. You can also use the Advanced Filter option to refine your view further. Click on Filters to open the Advanced Filtering panel, where you can filter audit logs based on multiple criteria, such as operation type, user, status, and date range. This makes it easy to locate specific activities or review a particular period of operations. For a closer look at any operation, click the preview icon next to the record. This opens a detailed summary of the action performed, including operation details and the users impacted. From this view, you can also export the operation details as a CSV file for documentation or audit purposes. At the top of the Audit Logs tab, you'll also notice statistics cards, which provide a quick overview of your operations by category, such as successful, failed, or pending actions. Clicking on any of these cards will filter the view to show only those specific operations, along with the list of users affected by them. Under the Detailed View section, you can explore individual user actions associated with each operation. This section provides a user-level breakdown, showing exactly which accounts were affected and how. You can apply the same advanced filters here to find specific user actions quickly. Just like before, these user-level records can also be exported as a CSV file for reporting or compliance tracking. Finally, admins have the option to clear all audit logs by clicking the Clear Logs button. This can be helpful for resetting records after a review cycle or when preparing for a new phase of operations. And that's how the Audit Logs tab in the miniOrange Automated User Management app helps you maintain full visibility over all user management activities in Jira.